Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about this Lamborghini Aventador, the LP700 2.0 in a carbon fiber look. And I believe it's from the brand TPC. It's in a 1/64 scale. Here we got some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Let's look at the box. Very nice box, by the way. Paid around $40 for this car, and let's be honest, that's a lot of money for a 1/64 scale car. So let's see if it's worth the money. Unboxing and review. And at the end of the video, I will compare it with the one from Mini GT. So as you can see, it comes in a nice display case. And here we have the first look. Let's put the camera a little bit to the front. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can see it from up close, because see the Lamborghini logo in the middle of the rims. The brake disc has some holes in it. I like that. And do I see a brake law? Let's put some extra light. There we go. Yep, there we see the brake law in a red color. I like that. Yes, just like I say, a nice carbon fiber look. We got a side mirror with a silver sticker on it. And also in the front, we got a red brake disc of a red brake claw. Sorry for that. And also the Lamborghini logo. I have to be honest, looks very good in the light. Lensed headlights. Not sure what to think about it. Yes, they're lens, but they look a little bit cheap. Nice and shining. How about the interior? Looks okay to me. No opening part. Even the steering wheel has those flippers for shifting gear. That's very realistic, but I can't see any details in the interior. It's a black interior, so that's a little bit difficult. So here we got the front. Awesome. And here we got the other side. Do have some engine details. And also the spoiler is also in carbon fiber look. Here we got the back, lanced rear lights. The license plate says Lamborghini, and we got the exhaust pipe, but in a silver color. Okay, let's take it off the display and let's look at the base of the car. There we go. Ah, phew! Metal base. And what do I see here? I see a Time Micro logo. This is the logo from Time Micro. So maybe Time Micro is involved. Yep, it says Time Micro, or TimeModel it says. Okay, the wheels are rolling. That's a good thing. And you see the brake law and disc is staying on its place, so that's a good thing. Front tires also rolling, but not that good. Not that good. If you think it's important that the car has rolling wheels, then this car is not for you. We have normal screws, so you can take it apart if you want. But overall, it's a very nice looking car, and I'm very happy with it. But is it worth $40. Well, let's find out, because I've got one from Mini GT right here in a red color. Almost the same. It's a different version. What do we got here? Mini GT made in China. It says nothing on the version of this Aventador. But they both have a metal base. And they both have the back wheels a little bit wider than the front wheels. That is realistic. I like that. Both normal screws. Then we have the back right here. And I'm going to do it like this. So then we can take a closer look. The one with the carbon fiber look has a different exhaust system, but maybe it is because it's a different version. LP700 2.0, and this is a normal Aventador, or is it an SV? Because it's got a spoiler in the back. Okay, then the side. Let's do it like this. Oh. Yeah, and if you like rolling wheels, you definitely have to go for the one from Mini GT, because that one is rolling perfect, and this one is not. Okay, here we got the top of both cars, and you can see the interior. Look pretty much the same, by the way, that interior. Windscreen wipers. Well, this one, the windscreen wipers are on top, and from the Mini GT are molded in the glass. I do like the lens headlights from Mini GT a little bit more, but I think this is cool looking. And also the back, that you see some details of the engine. Yeah, if you look at price quality, Mini GT is definitely a winner. For the price, what you pay and what you get a lot of car. This one, I'm definitely happy with it. Is it worth $30? I don't think so. I think it's better to pay $25, maybe $30. That will be a good price. Yeah, but for now, I have to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your diecast friends. I'm going to put this model on the turntable and you can watch it for yourself. Have a very nice day. See you soon. Bye.